In this video, I will show you how to pin apps to Taskbar in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you're going to want to do is, of course, look for the app that you want to pin. So if you have on your desktop, you can find it here, or if not, you can come down, use the search box in the taskbar at the bottom and search for the app that you want to pin. Now in this example, I'm going to use the Facebook app. I've already downloaded this. What you want to do once you've located the app is just simply right click onto the app itself, and on this menu that comes up, click onto pin to taskbar in the menu that comes up. Now as you can see, what it's going to do is pin this to the taskbar, and what we can do is click this, and once you've clicked onto it, as you can see, it's going to directly launch the app. So that is how to pin apps to taskbar in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.